With 18 working days left till move-in, the cold snap has arrived, plunging us to -12. But it's okay because I've got a new hat, exposed my breast and installed this bad boy. The plaster is struggling to dry, but we've got a dehumidifier. Can we do it? How did we get here? Let's find out. This is completely unnecessary for today's jobs, but I am so excited about having this, so it's going on. Motivation today is flagging. I think mainly because we're kind of waiting for the walls to dry before we do anything else. There's a few little jobs I could do, but I just cannot be arsed. This is how much I'm procrastinating at the minute. I'm in the neighbour's house because I've just got chatting to the elderly couple and found out their radiators have stopped working. So rather than work on our own house, I've decided to come around here and have a go at fixing theirs. I already made me a brew, so. As you can see here, look, the pressure is above the maximum. It's come down to 3.2. This is all we're doing. I've got it open, Len.
Hopefully we'll get above freezing sometimes.
Well, I can always nip outside and have a look and see if it is frozen up.
Are you alright? What are you doing at home?
What am I doing? To be honest, Len, I'm procrastinating. I'm waiting for plaster to dry. I wonder if it's that. You can see ice forming on it. The scaffolders have left this ladder here on ours, so I'm gonna use that while it's here. Look at all that. You see it on the floor?
It's not really blocked, it's just the way
well,
the pipes are.
Because we've noticed it, Len. It's
Yeah.
like bloody sheet ice, is that, man? Because there's like a bloody skating ring in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we've noticed every time you wash your hands upstairs, it comes oofing out of there.
Yeah.
Shall I, well, we've got ladders here. Shall we sort that out?
Oh.
Come on. Let's go see if that's done it. It sounds like it's doing it. That's shot up, 83. Pressure's good. Pressure's actually low. It's dropped massively. So we got Len's condensate pipe thawed out and we got the pressure dropped in his system, but the radiators won't come on. And the only thing I can think of is if the pipes going under the house have frozen, because Len and Hillary won't put their heating on for how scared they are of the cost. So he's potentially had enough time to completely freeze over under the house, because when we looked under ours, there's no lagging on those pipes. Here's the team, getting rid of water, moving the air, getting it hot. Come on and dry. It's looking good, Dale did a good job. 24 days till moving, 18 actual working days because we have to celebrate Christmas and stuff like that. A few little jobs to get done. This is the main one. Paint, second fix, skirts and radiators, and then we can move in. It sounds like a long time to do it all, but it's all pending on getting this plaster dried. If it doesn't dry in time and we don't get the paints on, then the guy is going to turn up on the 6th of January to fit the carpets and there's going to be nothing ready for him. So, yeah. You're loving it, Babs? Very wet. Kinda wet. Very dry. Already misting up. The gang is doing us proud. Good work, team.